Okay, we're recording now. I'll show you how I built up that slab as an overview, and then we'll show you how to do it slowly as well. Basically, I started off with two pieces of, two pieces. I've got the slab over here, and I've got built up my beam separately, so I can show you and I can see what I'm doing. Then I put them together afterwards. All right, so then we've get this thing to work. We've got this one here. Okay, so then I put them together, and the alt tab doesn't work. So then I sketched on there the set down, and I did a revolve. Unfortunately, I haven't got an intermediate step, but in here there is, I've built up another profile which I then subtracted from it. Okay, so in theory, in that next one, then if I just turn off the grid, might be able to see better. Okay, we've got the set down here after we subtracted the other profile I put on there, and the alt tab doesn't work again. This is where I sketched up an area where I'm going to put the extrude down a small piece of 50mm slab or another solid, which I'll subtract again. Or I think we might even be able to use press pull, but it's probably easier to use create a new one and then just subtract it. Let's have a look. And there you have it. I'll turn off the grid again, and there's a set down there. You see that there. And what else have we got? 8. Then it's putting the centroid in there. I've made it into wireframe, and you can do that by changing the settings from here, whether it's conceptual or wireframe and so on. So there's the settings there. They're quite easy to get to, and you can see this one here was inserted through. Let's do Control key and 3. Brings up these two palettes, and I inserted that through here somewhere, and I can't quite remember where from, but I think it's probably under the annotations. We'll find that a bit later when we get to it. Now the other thing is, and you can put anything there, you can create something yourself. It's just a position to show the centroid. And then we just did plain text and wrote up here where the centroid is. Everybody's centroid will be different to mine because everybody started somewhere else. Everybody should get the same volume for the slab, and the same mass for the same volume, and the mass will be for the concrete cubic meters to order. All right, so there's a little formula for you there. And basically the final is to create the split screen like that, to show me that you can do that sort of thing really. And I've made this one in the X-ray thing here, so we can see, click over here, so we can see the beams sort of showing underneath. All right, so that's the X-ray thing there. All right, there you go. That's an X-ray there. Okay, so I will stop this thing here now.